Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see how we can generate the ChatGPT prompts. What are prompts actually? Prompts are nothing but the AI can understand. It is the language in which you communicate with artificial intelligence. It can be even a single questions or in the form of sentence or words or in the form of strings, but if you change the prompts, you can get the varying answers from the artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Microsoft Bing, etc. Even you can generate the prompts for image generation artificial intelligence tools such as midjourney, etc. So the prompts are nothing but the way you question the artificial intelligence tools like chatbots, and if you change the prompts, the answer the AI produces will also changes. So to generate a great prompt is really a challenging task, and even nowadays the AI prompts are being started selling at high cost. So how you can generate the prompts? There are also tools, artificial intelligence tools available for generating the prompts. Such a tool is PromptPal, through which you can generate the prompts. Let us look how you can generate those prompts. So now I'm entering into the promptpol.net. So it is nothing but a prompt superpower, and you can produce the industry's best AI prompts. You can produce the prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney. So Midjourney is nothing but it produces the images, and Google Bard is nothing but an artificial intelligence tool provided by the Google, and Bing, Notion prompts, and Doll E prompts. So now I'm taking the example of ChatGPT prompts, which produces the answers in text-based chatting. So here are various templates or examples which are already available, or also you can produce your own questions. So write an interview guide for a potential job candidate. Develop a plan for implementing new CRM system. Create a list of resources for learning about aerospace engineering. Write a product description for an online retail store. So I can here you can find there are the similes are available. I'm clicking on copy, so it is copied to clipboard. So what I can do is I can edit the prompt which is produced. So I'm pasting. As a business owner of an online retail store, I need to craft a compelling product description for a new product name we are launching. The product is you can include the brief description, and you can describe for the ideal customer. So you can name for your product, which can be so I am naming the product as for a new oily baby oil, for a new baby oil. The product is you can include the description, is a wonderful product. You just can include the name and the description of the product. Wonderful product from pure coconut. And it's perfect for, you can describe the ideal customers. I am saying it is for babies, or even you can include newborn babies. So now I have edited the content. Now you can copy. I am copying the content. So now I'm getting back to the ChatGPT. So now I am entering into ChatGPT. Now I can paste this prompt. This is the prompt. which generated for an online product. So I have edited as it for a baby oil product. I have edited and I am pasting it to the ChatGPT. Now the ChatGPT start producing me the answer. So introducing a baby oil, especially crafted for your previous newborns. This is gentle and nourishing oil, etc., etc. It started with the content. So with the message, with the prompt, if I change the prompt a little, the answer from the artificial intelligence like ChatGPT changes. So as per the requirement, you can change the prompt. If you are not good at prompting, then the answer produced by AI will change. So for if you lag in such a tool, you can go for this prompt generation tools like Promptfall, and you can generate, even you can generate for midjourney for generating wonderful images. If a light variation in prompt occurs, the image also changes. So this is a wonderful tool. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other further updates.